So, good evening once again to everyone. Let's start today's session with geometric twins. Okay, so here we are just learning about congruent. Congruent is nothing but if the two shapes are having same shape and same size, they are called as congruent. Okay, or we can just say perfectly overlapping figures. Okay, perfectly overlapping figures are called as congruence. For, for circle, they should have the same radius. The two circles are congruent, they should have the same radius. Two squares are congruent, they should have the same side. Right? So like this, we have just learned it. Right? So this is all about we have done in the first class. Next, congruency of triangle. Okay, the two triangles are congruent. They have the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Okay, corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Then we can say the two triangles are congruent. So this is a symbol for congruent. Okay, now this is a symbol for congruent. Right. Next, so we have learned few rules of congruency rule. Right. So congruence means the corresponding angles and the side must be equal. Okay, a and x should be equal, b and y should be equal, c and z should be equal. Okay, yeah, so this is all about we have learned in the first class. And right, right, so now can you able to see this condition for congruency of triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what are the conditions we have? Totally we have four conditions. Okay, we have four conditions. So here is given as a six, okay, two, five condition, but these two can be considered as a single condition. Okay, one is, okay, SAS, ASA, SSS, RHS.
Correct.
These are the four criteria we'll say, four rules we can say, or four condition. Everything is same. Okay, here is given as condition. Okay, condition is nothing but we can say four rules, or we can just say four criteria. Okay, criteria. Okay, okay, so in different, right? So in synonyms we'll be using for the four concurrency rule. So based on this concurrency rule, right, if the two triangles are concurrent, then we can say corresponding parts of concurrency triangles are equal. Corresponding angles it will be equal, corresponding sides it will be equal. The question is given that two triangles are congruent. By default, corresponding angles and sides will be equal. That is called as CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Next, we must know about angles and property of triangle. Okay, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, isosceles triangle, if it's an isosceles triangle, two sides it will be equal and the base angle it will be equal. Two sides and base angle it will be equal. If they ask us to prove the given two triangles are congruent, first step you have to draw the first triangle from the main diagram. Second triangle as it is and name it, compare it and identify the congruency rule. Okay, for this is actually this is ninth question. Okay, for us, they will not ask us to prove it, but they will ask us to identify which concurrency rule we are going to apply. So based on this concept, right, we have done the exercise. Now we have left out with only one question. Okay, sixth question. This is the last question is given in the book. Okay, so this is a little interesting question. Right, so here what they ask us to find out. Find the missing angles as per the convention that we have been following. All the line segments marked with the angle. So one line, this line means are equal to one line. So double line means so that is equal to double line. Okay, this one line means this side is equal to this side. We have to assume, we have to take it. So two line means these two sides are equal. Three line means these two sides are equal. Okay, and if they given us a box, now this is nothing but 90 degree. Box means 90 degree. They ask us to find out the missing values. Missing values. Here only we are going to apply all the concept. Now first we'll just go with this angle, right? So this is missing angle. We have to find out. Right, so first I'm just going to take the triangle. Okay, so in triangle, right, so we'll just go with, right. First I'm going to choose the triangle. Which triangle? CUR. Okay, CUR. So I'm just choosing the triangle in triangle CUR. So here they have given these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So what can you say about this triangle? Two sides are equal means
Isosceles
Sir,
triangle.
it's isosceles triangle.
isosceles triangle. If it's isosceles triangle, base angle it will be
Uh, Equal.
Equal, sir.
equal. Angle U is equal to angle R.
R.
Okay, so CUR is an CUR is an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. If it's an isosceles triangle, I can just take it as angle U is equal to angle
Is
R.
equal to angle
Angle
R.
R. Both are equal. Now using the angle sum property, right? Using angle sum property, how can I write the angle sum property for this triangle using angle
Angle
sum property? What is angle sum property?
interior sum of interior angle should be 180.
180 degree. Okay, sum of three interior angles equal to 180. That means angle C plus angle U plus angle
U
R
plus
is
angle
equal to
R
Degree.
180.
180 degree. Angle C, what is the value of angle C? 90 degree. Okay.
90 degree.
Now we can just take it as angle C is 90 degree. Plus angle U, we can write angle U alone. Plus instead of angle R, can we write angle U?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
both are
sir.
equal. Okay, both are equal. I can take it as so and 180. Now
180.
take this 90 to this side. So angle U plus U is
180 plus 9.
180
2U.
plus 90.
Okay, 1U plus 1U is 2U is equal to 180.
And
Okay, 90
90.
degree minus 90 degree. Hmm? Now 2U is equal to how much? 90 degree. Now angle U alone how much? 90 divided by
Sir,
2.
yeah.
2.
90 by 2 is
45.
45, sir.
45 degree. Angle U is equal to 45. Okay, angle U is equal to 45. So that is nothing but angle
Angle R.
R also 45. Okay, now this is 45. Okay, and angle R also 45. Isosceles
45.
triangle base angles are equal. So we got the two angles. Okay, the same condition we have to find out for balance angle. Okay, balance angles. So I'll take one or two triangles and then we'll try it. Okay, next which triangle we can take? You can just tell me any one triangle. Okay, Aradhana is your choice. Tell me any one triangle.
Sir, we can go with triangle B. We can go with triangle BL and this one. Yeah, so that BL.
B, L, and okay, this is no name is given, so we'll go with up to okay B, L, and M. M is it given anywhere? No. So we'll go with B, L, M.
M.
Okay. So in triangle BLM, so I'm just going with triangle BLM. Right. So I don't know. Okay, here I'll try. So in triangle, so B, L, N. So one of the angle L is equal to 90 degree. And other two angles are not given equal. Okay. These two sides are not equal. Then how will you find out the angle? Hmm? Okay, this angle, how will you find out? Any connection? This angle, how will you find out? Okay, for finding this angle, we have to find out this angle. Okay, then only we can come to this triangle.
So
Okay,
go with BMF then.
okay. First, you will be going with
F
BFM. Okay, BFM. So, what is the name of this triangle? BFM.
in triangle BFM.
So, BFM, all the sides are equal, right? Two line, two line, two line. So, all the three sides are equal. It's called as
Equilateral triangle.
so equilateral triangle. So, in triangle BFM is an equilateral triangle. So, we can just take it as equilateral triangle. So if it's an equilateral triangle, all the angles must be equal. What is the measure of each angle? Hmm? Equilateral triangle, all the angle must be equal. So what is the measure of equal?
Equal.
Hmm.
Sir, everything will be 90 degrees. Sir.
Right, yeah. 90 plus 90 plus 90?
Sir, 45.
No. So all the three angles. So 180 divided by 3. 180 by 3? 60, right? So each angle must be 60, right? So this should be 60. This should be 60. And this also should be 60. From here to here, this should be 60 degree. Okay, total is 90 will come. So from here to this part alone should be 60 degree. That means equilateral triangle means all the angles are equal. If you want to write the steps, you have to write it as angle B plus angle F plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property. Here all the angles are equal, so I can just take it as angle B plus instead of F also I can write angle B plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Hmm? Now, so 3 times angle B. So we'll be getting 3 times angle B
The angle B.
is equal to 180 degree. Now angle B is equal to so 180 by 3. So angle B is equal to 180 by 3 is 60 degree. So 60 degree is
60
nothing
by
but
12.
angle F. Angle F is equal to angle F. So all the angles are 60 degree. Okay, so we got all these angles are 60 degree. Okay, now we can come to this triangle. Okay, now one of the angle is 90 degree. So what about this angle? So total is 90. This is 60. So what could be angle B?
Sir, it will be 60.
Huh?
Sir, I did not
90.
understand what did you say, sir.
See, now total is given box. Box means 90 degree. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
We found out this is 60 degree. What could be this angle alone? This part it will be 90 minus 60. How much?
30.
Now this will be 30 degree. Okay. Now this is 30 degree. Now this is 90 degree. We can easily find out this angle, right? Yeah. Angle sum property. Okay. Sum of three angle is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 30 plus this angle, if you are taking this is M, is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 90 plus 30 is 120. So 180 minus 120 is, we'll be getting as
60.
60 degree. You'll be getting this angle is 60 degree. Okay, the same ways you can just find out, balance all the angles, unknown angles. Okay, so we will be using isosceles triangle concept, angle sum property concept. Okay, next what? Only these two we will be using it. Okay, at least one or two triangles you can try by yourself. Okay, then you can just tell me whether you're getting the correct answer or not. How to check whether the answer is correct? While adding all the three angles, you have to get 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, students. So by this, we'll be just stopping this. We'll be moving into the worksheet question. Okay, worksheet questions now. Okay, so I'll just save it. Okay, so worksheet I'll be just sharing now. Right. So this is like okay, quiz, right? So one by one, you have to try and tell your answer. If I alone teach, okay, teaching part is over. Now we came to the practice part, right? I just want to know how much you understood about congruency of triangle. Okay, let's start with one by one. Okay, so try your best. We'll just start with Lakshan. So read the question and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Are the given triangles congruent? If yes, state the congruence criteria. State the corresponding parts. Sir, it is a congruent triangle, sir. Both are.
Both are congruent triangle. Okay.
The state the corresponding parts. Sir, the corresponding parts are.
Hmm.
Sir, PR is corresponding to ML and QR is corresponding to NL.
Okay.
PQ is
First, you
corresponding
have
to
to write. You
NL
are telling
and
these
NM,
two
sir.
triangles are congruent. Okay. How do you
Congruent.
write the congruency triangle? If I write triangle, so
Triangle
triangle
PQR.
PQR is congruent to hmm.
M MNL. Triangle MNL.
Okay, M and
NL.
L. Okay, so here you're just starting with this, right? So PQR. This should be congruent
Yes,
to
sir.
MNL.
MNL.
Same direction. Right. Okay, if yes,
Sir,
state the congruence criteria. So how can you say these two
yes,
triangles are
sir.
congruent? Hmm.
Sir, by the corresponding angles, sir. Parts, sir. By the corresponding parts.
Now, which criteria? Congruence criteria means what? We have four criteria.
Yes, sir.
SAS or
It is
SSS or
by.
which criteria?
Sir, it is by yes, sir. No, sir,
Huh?
yes. It's yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Whether are they given this angle? Yes, yes. No, this angle they didn't
No,
give, right?
sir.
They are equal. We cannot go
Yes.
SAS.
So it is yes, sir.
Sir, can I tell?
No, they didn't give this sides are equal. We cannot go SSS also.
Sir, can I tell?
Well, let him try.
Okay.
One of the angle is 90 degrees
90
given.
degree.
What you can say? 90 degree
Sir,
means?
then it is RHS, sir.
So 90 degree right angle, hypotenuse and side.
Hypotenuse side.
And side. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse and side criteria. I can
Side.
say these two triangles are congruent.
E-
Now state the
congruence.
corresponding parts. Now these
Yes,
two
sir,
these two triangles are congruent. So what could be the corresponding parts? Right. So we can just say angle P is equal to angle
angle P is equal to angle M, sir.
M. Okay, how can you say these two are equal?
Sir, because because they're congruent, sir.
Yeah, what rule you will be just saying? If the two triangles are congruent, I said right.
Sir, correspondence.
CP, CP,
CT, sir. Corresponding part
what do you
of
mean by C?
congruent triangle.
Okay, corresponding parts are congruent triangle. Okay, next, what can you say about angle R and L? Angle R
R
and L, both it will be
and L
equal. This also
equal, sir.
CP,
CPCT.
CT. Next, what is missing? So PQ is equal to
Sir, PQ. MN.
MN. PQ is equal to MN. This also CP, CT.
PCT.
Okay, can everyone understood this question?
Yes.
Okay, how we are identifying the concurrency criteria? Okay, if you're having any doubt, feel free to ask. Right. So next question is to okay. Okay, Narubi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In the adjoining figure, triangle NMQ is congruent to triangle TRS. State the congruence criteria used and the corresponding parts of the triangles. Sir,
Okay, how they have given that NMQ is concurrent to TRS. Already is given these two triangles are concurrent.
yes, sir.
So we have to identify which criteria we're going to use.
Yes, sir.
But seeing the diagram here, 25 is given, 15 is given, 140, 140. Actually, here one angle is missing, right? So this angle is missing. So we have to find out this angle is how much. How will you find out?
Sir, 140 plus 25, 180 minus 140 plus 25.
So angle sum property. Okay, so you can just go with angle sum property. So 140. Okay, in triangle, first you choose the triangle. Okay, so in triangle, which triangle? N, M, Q.
So you
Okay.
wrote NNQ.
So 25 plus 25 plus 140 plus okay Q is equal to how much?
Sir,
180. 25 plus how much? 25 plus 140?
165. 165.
165 plus Q is equal to 180.
180.
Hmm.
So,
Angle
the
Q is
answer
equal to
180
15,
minus
sir.
165.
15.
uh,
So the answer is 25.
how much?
Yeah.
15, sir.
25.
15.
15 will come, right? 180 minus 65 is 15. Now this will be 15. Okay, this is 15. For this triangle, if you're finding, this will be 25. Okay. Now, okay, now
Sir,
we have
this
to
is
identify which. Wait, let her. Now we can try. Hmm. Now, which criteria we can use for this?
Sir, ASA.
A, yes, A. That means side, so angle, side angle, right? So angle, side, angle. Okay, here also angle, side, angle is coming. So ASA criteria, I can say these two triangles are concurrent. Now I can just write here. Where can I write? So I'm just writing here. So triangle NMQ is concurrent to triangle TRS. So based on ASA rule. Okay, ASA rule. Now we have to identify the corresponding parts. Okay, corresponding parts. What are the corresponding parts is given? We have to find out.
Sir, triangle M
Okay,
and
angle Q is corresponding to what?
Angle S.
Angle Q, 15 degrees corresponding to angle
S
yes.
15
Okay, that
degrees.
is based on
CPCT.
CPCT. Okay, CPCT. So next, what you want to find out? Side. Okay, the side. What are the sides not give? MQ is corresponding to
RS.
MQ is corresponding to
RS.
What is
so this is 140 and 15, 140, 15. MQ is corresponding to so RS. Okay. From this itself we can take see without seeing the diagram also MQ should be equal to RS. Okay. MQ is equal to RS. This is also based on CP CT. Next one more side. TS. TS is equal to TS is equal to what? Nauri?
Yes, sir. TS is equal to NQ.
Yeah. So TS is equal to NQ. So both should be equal. Now we can write so TS is equal to NQ or NQ is equal. First we are just taking this triangle only right first. So we can write first triangle NQ is equal to so TS. This is also based on CPCT. Okay, already three condition is given, so we are taking balance three conditions. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So the next one is to Ishita.
In the following figure, show that triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle PSR. Mention the congruency criteria.
Hmm.
We can see that from
Hmm.
P to S, there's a altitude and it's 90 degrees, both sides.
Hmm. Hmm.
And PR and PQ are both
6.5 centimeter.
Okay.
So the steps will be triangle
So
PR,
which criteria we can use?
uh, uh, side angle, side yes,
Side angle
angle.
side up. If it's this no angle, this is only we
Sir,
can say
sir,
side
side
angle
and
side, but angle is
ASA, angle side angle.
angle and which side?
Sir,
No, we cannot go with that. Another one.
sir, RHS.
RHS. Right, so now here
Yeah,
PQ, PS is a common side. PS is the common side. Okay.
and
Now
PR,
this is a hypotenuse.
PR,
Yeah,
PR
right angle,
hypotenuse
hypotenuse and side. Okay. Right angle,
side
hypotenuse. You can say these two triangles are
equal.
congruent.
So the steps will be
Right, so we can just, yeah, first you choose the triangle. Right, so in triangle, I'm just choosing the triangle. In triangle, what is given? PSQ and triangle
P,
PSR. Now you compare. First, we'll
so
go with
PS,
right angle. Angle
PS
S is
is
equal to
equal
angle.
to 90 degree.
Okay, so three letters you use so that will not get confusion. PSQ is equal to angle PSQ
Sir,
is
P,
equal to angle PSR. So both are
90 degree, 90 degree.
90-degree right angle. Right angle.
And then hypotenuse side PR and PQ. PQ,
Uh,
PR, hypotenuse
so
6.5 centimeter.
PR, first one is PQ. So PQ is equal to PR. So both are side given equal. Okay. Next one is PS is equal to PS. Both are common side. Both are common side. Right. So therefore I can say, right? So therefore the triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle PSR based on which rule? RHS. So right angle here, this is right angle, hypotenuse and side. Okay, can you all able to identify? Anybody's having any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Right. So the next question is two. Okay, Sudan.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In the given figure, state the rule of congruence followed by congruent triangles LMN and ONM. If LN equals to OM and LM equals to ON.
Okay. This is M. This is N. Yes. So we have to state the rule of congruency followed by the congruent triangle. Okay, triangle L M N is congruent to triangle O N M. Like this is given, right?
Yes, sir.
L M N. This triangle and O M N. So how can you say these two triangles are congruent?
Sir,
Hmm.
side LN is equal to side OM.
Okay, one is given, so one side Ln is equal to O
OM M
L
given
M.
in the
Okay, the Ln. Okay, Ln is equal to OM is given. Okay, now this is given.
Answer, sir, O.
And LM. So these two sides are also equal is given. So two sides are equal is given. So we have to find out one more criteria. Which rule?
Sir, side.
Hmm? Which side is common? One side is common for both, right? Which side?
Sir, MN.
So Mn is the common side, right? So for both, so Mn is the common side. Here also Mn, okay, and this is Mn is common to Mn.
NM.
So we can go with side triangle. We can say that these two triangles are congruent.
Congruent.
Okay, these two triangles are congruent. So we can just write, so that is based on
Side.
S. Okay, so if you want to write, so you can just write Ln is equal to OM. This is one side.
Side 1.
Next, LM is equal
LM.
to ON. This is also given side. Next one is
Sir,
MN equal
O
to
and O
M.
and L and
NM.
L.
the Mn is equal to Mn. Both are common side.
No, sir. NM.
So common side.
Sir, there are two sides. Sorry, two sides equal to each other, sir.
That's only is given, right? So these two we have taken. One more side is common side for both the triangle. So clear? Okay, therefore this triangle is congruent based on triple S concurrency rule. SSS. Right. So next question. So next one is to Misty Singh. Misty.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In the figure, ABCD is a rhombus. State which pair of triangles are congruent and write the result in symbolic form. State the congruence criteria used.
Hmm. So first of all, you must know that what is
Hmm.
rhombus. Rhombus, what is the property of rhombus? Misty. You can just say rhombus property.
Yes, sir.
What are the properties of rhombus? In a rhombus, first one is all the sides are
Equal.
equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. Opposite angles are
Same.
equal, right? In a rhombus, all the sides are equal. Okay, opposite angles are equal. So based on this itself, you can just say the two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles are congruent? If I take the triangle, okay, I'm just choosing the triangle. Okay, in triangle ABC and so triangle ABC means another one is A.
ADC.
Okay, ADC. Now tell me, right? So AB is equal to
AB equal to AD.
AB is equal to AD. We can write. Okay, now that is the side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next,
And
angle B is equal to
angle B is equal to angle D.
angle D. Now that is okay. Angle we can
Angle.
write are opposite angles. In rhombus, they are equal. Okay. Next one.
Sir, can we write AC?
AC. AC also we can write or BC also we can write. If you are writing
Okay, sir.
AC, if you are writing AC, what rule will apply? Here angle is here, side is here, side is here. Do we have angle side side?
No, sir.
No, one angle is given mean that must be in between the two sides, right? Yes,
Okay, sir.
a side angle side only we have a criteria. So we should go with only BC. Okay, BC is equal to
B is equal to DC.
okay, BC is equal to DC. We can take
A.
okay, BC is equal to DC. That is side. Hmm?
Side.
So therefore, so I can just say triangle ABC is concurrent to triangle ADC
ADC.
based on
Side angle side.
okay SAS criteria. Super. Okay. Next question is to Mahit. Mahit.
Sir,
Yes, Mahit.
yes, sir. In the given congruent triangle, under ASA, find the value of x and y.
No, question number 6.
Sorry, sir, confusion. In the given figure, AP is equal to PQ, PR is equal to QS. Show that triangle APS is equal to PQR.
Okay. Is given AP is equal to PQ.
Yes, sir.
Next, PR. Okay, PR
PR is
is
equal
equal to
to QS.
QS. Okay. So we
Um,
have to show that APS.
APS is equal to
APS.
yes, sir,
So this triangle is equal to PQ.
BQR.
Okay, which criteria we can just say?
Um, side angle side, sir.
Side,
Angle
angle,
side.
side. Yes. Okay, first you choose the triangle. So I'm just choosing the triangle. So in triangle, which triangle? The same triangle only we have to put. In triangle, APS and so triangle PQR.
Yes, sir.
So what is given first? AP is equal to
APS is equal to BQ.
that is what?
Side.
Side. Next one angle is given. What angle? Angle P is equal to
Angle
angle.
angle P is equal to angle Q.
This is a 90-degree given, right? So this is also
Yes, yes,
90
sir.
only. Box equal.
Yes, sir.
Angle P is equal to angle
Angle
Q,
Q
right? We can
90
go with
degrees.
angle. If it's hypotenuse, okay, this side is given equal, we have to go with RHS. Okay,
Yes,
RHS. But they didn't say anything about hypotenuse. So we cannot go with RHS rule.
or this.
So next is given that PR, okay, up to here. So PR is equal to QS.
Yes, sir.
So, but you have to say that PS is equal to
Q.
QR.
Or
PS is equal to QR. Then only we can say the two triangles are congruent.
yes, sir.
How can you say PS is equal to QR? So we have to show that PS is equal to
Q.
PS is equal to QR. You have to say.
Yes.
How can you say? Okay, for this alone, for PS is the right. This side we have PS, and this side we have QR.
QR.
Okay, if you are just subtracting, okay, PS minus
That's QR.
P, okay, total is PS minus RS,
Yes.
okay, And in the side we have QR
Pure
minus
minus PR.
RS. For both, RS is common. Okay, RS is coming as extra bit. If you are just subtracting RS in both the sides, PS minus RS, it will be, no, we no need to minus. So we have to add, right? So PR plus this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to add, then only you'll be getting this. So, so we have to prove PS is equal to QR.
QR.
How can prove once again? PS should be equal to QR.
QR.
Okay. But in the question, what is given? PR only is given, right? So
Yes.
PR is given that is equal to
Yes, sir. PR
SQ is
plus.
given.
Yes,
So
sir.
for both, RS is extra part. So if you are just adding RS in both the sides,
RS.
okay? RS here also RS.
PR plus RS and
So
QS.
PR plus RS, we can write it as PS. So
PS
SQ
equal
plus
to QR.
RS is QR.
QR. Yes, sir.
Right, so we are just adding equal, right? So or we can say balancing method. For balancing, we are just adding RS. So therefore, we can say PS is equal to QR.
QR.
Now we can just say that therefore
Therefore,
triangle uh,
triangle APS is equal to
congruent
triangle
to
BQ, congruent to triangle BQR.
based on
Side angle side.
side angle side.
Side.
Okay, side angle side.
Side. Yes, sir.
Right, so balance. So we have a few more questions, right? Total we have 13, 14, 15 questions are given. Right, so have a practice, right? Up to this, I'm just going to stop in this chapter. Okay, balance questions for you. The same worksheet will be posted in the Google Classroom. Have a practice it. So in next class, we'll be just starting with next chapter. That means coming Sunday, we'll be having test on this chapter. Okay, geometric twins. Okay, students.
Okay,
Here,
sir.
if you are thorough with the chapter, so ninth standard concurrency triangle, it's very, very easy. Okay, the same only you are going to learn in ninth standard. Right. So if you have any doubt, you can just stay back and ask. Other students, you can take a leave. So we'll be meeting in the next class. Until then, take care. See you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Sir,
sir.
sir.
sir,
Bye, sir.
Yes, Aradhana.
sir, actually, my mother told that she wants to talk with you regarding the tuition. After the tuition, can she call you after this class?
Not after this class. Right now, you can call. Otherwise, it will be ended. You just
Yes, sir.
call you.
Okay, sir, I'll call her.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.